Namaskaram. Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to the class. This is our third class and we made wonderful progress in the last class. Honestly, I was really pleased. And my students will tell you that I don't get pleased very easily. So I was very pleased. Sound came out nicely. So I'm proud of the team. So keep at it. Couple of things that you'll hear me repeating again and again. Practice, practice, practice. So all of you who have read Lalita Sahasranamam would have heard this concept: Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Ichha Shakti, desire. Ichha means desire. The first thing to learn anything or to do anything is desire. Just empty desire will not do. The second thing is jnanam, or the knowledge. So you have the desire, you came to the class. Whatever little I know, I'm sharing with you. So you're getting that little bit of whatever little I know. The third thing is in your hands: Kriya Shakti, action, practice. Only desire will not do, empty knowledge will not do. It is the action. How many people dream to be millionaires? Yes, but how many people work towards it? Right? So it's important. Just dreaming won't do, just making lame excuses won't do. Do you forget to eat? No. Do you forget to go to the washroom? No. I'm making it very simple. So there is no reason why you should not do this. I'll be very open here. There are some people say, oh, is Shiva related? So we have to be pure. Oh, I didn't take a bath today. Oh, I didn't brush my teeth today, so I'm not going to practice. You know what? All the papam that you will incur, put it on me. I don't care whether you took a bath, whether you brushed your teeth. I really don't care. But practice. I don't want any excuse. No excuse. Without practice, we won't progress. And there are a couple of reasons for that. If you do not practice, you hold up the rest of the class. And for me, practically, if you do not practice, then if you go wrong, it's going to hold up everybody. There's a saying in English: the strength of the chain lies in the weakest link. How many of you have heard of it? Right? Many people have heard, but many do not understand the meaning. The simple meaning is, so if you have a chain and it has 10 links in it, one link in going into another link, and say all of the links can take a weight of 10 kilos, but one of the link can take only 1 kilo. The moment you exceed 1 kilo, the chain will break. So the important thing is, here we are working as a chain, all of us are together. So 1 week chanter can ruin a group performance. So you have to take personal pride into what you're doing. There will be varying levels of performance amongst the individuals for sure, but there has to be a minimum level of acceptable performance. You know what I'm saying? No one is perfect here. But having said that, we should achieve a minimum level of competence. So are we on the same page? So next time, I'm sure all of you practice today. Next time practice more, because the portions will keep increasing, because I am feeling that you guys are doing really good. So I'm going to ramp it up. For what you saw in the first of the trailer, the feature film is going to start now. Okay? Abhi picture baki hai mere dost. It is starting now. I think we did up to Papa Kashini, right? Okay. We'll do a simple prayer. Just repeat after me, and then we'll do a brief revision. And then we are on the highway, okay? All good? Excellent. Om Ganganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good. Let's start. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. I still find many people closing their mouth and saying Om Namo. I told you, including you, I watched the mouths, okay? Om Namo. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Namaste Rudramanyava Utota Ishave Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Almost all of you forgot the Nirikti rule, which is leaving the gap between Namaste and Astu. Te ends with a Dhirga extended vowel A followed by another vowel A. So when you get two successive vowels, not in the same word, but between two words, the word is Namaste. What is the ending sound? A. A is an extended vowel, right? Followed by a new word whose beginning is with a vowel. So the rule is called a Nirikti rule. It is very rarely followed. In a practical situation, you will find even very, very qualified Vaidikas do not follow this rule. Having said that, you will see Chalakre brothers follow this rule. It's called a Nirikti rule, where it says clarity is required when a word ends with a vowel followed by another word that starts with a vowel. So when we do it, we have to follow this rule. When we follow others doing it, we'll have to forget this rule and blend in. You know what I'm saying? If we are leading, we follow the rule and we tell others to follow the rule. Good. So again, it has to be an extended vowel. So when there's a break, the extension will be slightly more than a normal extension. So watch carefully. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Leave a distinct gap, and I want the kids to open their mouth, including the girls, okay? Don't feel shy. There's nothing to feel shy. And anyway, you're not on video, okay? So you can do whatever you want. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Last time we will do it again. Leave a distinct pause. Not too big a pause, just that pause, there should be silence there, okay? Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bahubhyamutate Namaha. Your good name, my friend? Yeah. Ishan, you look like, who is the Indian captain? Kohli. You look like Kohli, but Kohli's head is always still when he's batting, okay? Your head is bobbing up and down, okay? I know it is Friday night fever, but just keep your head still, okay? Otherwise, you're doing awesome, okay? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. Yata ishu shivatama shivam babhuvate dhanuhu. Yata ishu shivatama shivam babhuvate dhanuhu. Yata ishu shivatama shivam babhuvate dhanuhu. Shiva sharavyaya tavataya no rudramridaya. Shiva Shiva Sharavyaya Tavataya no Rudramridaya Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini Good. Now, ni is a ending dirgham, right? So, it will be slightly extended. So, you have to contrast with the ending of the previous sentence, which ended with mridaya, right? Ya is a hrasvam. And there's a slight extension on that. But this is a dirgham in itself. So, contrast between mridaya and kashini. Okay. For example, Shiva Sharavyaya Tavataya no Rudra Mridaya Yate Rudra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini. See, the difference between ya and ni has to come. Because look at the ending. One of them is short, one of them is long. So you have to contrast. Are we on the same page? Good. Once we do the next line, then we'll go into the meaning of these two lines. Okay? Excellent. Anybody having any doubt anywhere? Or all of you are comfortable with the concept of dirgham, hrasvam, holding, visargam, etc.? All good? I might just pop a question now and then, okay? Okay. But you know what? Group answer is allowed, so you will be covered. Taya nastanuva Taya nastanuva Taya nastanuva Shantamaya Shantamaya Girishanta Girishanta Bhichakashihi Girishanta Bhichakashihi. So many of the people who chant Rudram in this particular line, they make a, very experienced chanters also make a small mistake, which is the ending, Chakashihi. They say Chakashihi. The he, they make it short because they think it's a hrasvam there. But we have to make it slightly extended. Bhichakashihi. You know what I'm saying? Not Bhichakashihi. Bhichakashihi. Got it? The reason is to differentiate between a visargam and the actual letter ha. It's a technical aspect. So don't dwell too much on that. Just remember in mind, when it comes to this, it won't be he, it will be he. It won't be he, they'll make it a dirgham. Okay? Now, all of you are good with this, so we'll go backwards and forwards the way we did. So you get your swaras correct. Okay? Ta, taya, Tayana Tayanasta Tayanastano Tayanastanuva ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾಗೀ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾಗಿರೀ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶನ್ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶನ್ ಗಿರೀಶನ್. The re has an upper soda, right? It should not be Girishan, Girishan. Taya nastanuvashantamaya Girishanta. ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿಚಾ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿಚಾಕ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿಚಾಕಶೀ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿಚಾಕಶೀ ತಯಾ ನಸ್ತನುವಾಶಂತಮಯಾ ಗಿರಿಶಂತಾಭಿಚಾಕಶೀ Good. Now I'm going to go back, okay? He, she, kashi, chakashi, bhichakashi, bhichakashi, shanta bhichakashi, girishanta bhichakashi, now you guys are doing quite well, so I'm going to take two syllables and go forward, okay? Maya girishanta bhichakashi, Maya girishanta bhichakashi, Shantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, Vashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, Tanu vashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, Nastanu vashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, Taya nastanu vashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, Taya nastanu vashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi, five times. Good. 5 times done, right? Okay. Now the meaning, okay, my dear friends, the meaning is Lord Rudra, by that supremely peaceful form of yours which destroys sin and which is auspicious and blissful, give us the knowledge supreme, O resident of Kailasha and giver of all good. So basically, this is a prayer to Shiva to grant knowledge. Okay? There is a word by word meaning that I have here, but we'll go into details if we finish Rudram in decent time. Okay? Now, why don't you all go back to Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya, right? And up to here, okay? Once. All good? 1, 2, 3, start. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Yava Utota Ishabe Namaha. Namaste Astu Dhanvane Bhahabhyamutate Namaha. Yata Isha Shivatama Shivam Bhabhuvate Dhanuh. Shiva Sharavyaya Tavataya Noradramradaya. Yate Radra Shiva Tanura Ghora Papakashini. Tayanastano Vashantamaya Girishanta Bhichakashi. Good. Now, only thing, remember, as your hearing sense becomes sharper and sharper and sharper, you have to make sure that all the upper swaras and lower swaras on Haraswams stand out clearly. I already told you on a Dhirgam, it is easier to make out the swara. Ta ya like goes up, right? Even when you go in a normal speed, ta ya nas, ya sounds very nice. But when you say girishanta, it is easy to say girishanta bhichakashi. Nobody, normal chanters cannot make out a difference, but expert chanters will immediately look at you and glare at you. Girishanta, so tayanas tanuvashantamaya girishanta bhichakashi. Very subtle, right? Girishan, train your ears. Right? If you start now, you'll do well later on. One of the challenges that you'll have as a chanter is that the later portion of Rudra will be much better than the beginning portions because your hearing sense will improve. Are you with me? So the beginning portion you will learn, but you won't know where you are. You won't know you're doing right or wrong. But as you get to the second Anuvakam, third Anuvakam, you will have a better grounding and you'll be sure. So once you know this, pay particular attention in the very beginning because later on you'll catch it just like that. Okay? Are you with me? Shall we move on?
Yeah.
Yes. Next one. Now, Girishanta. Next one, Ya Mishum will be there. But actually it is Ya Mishung because Ya Mishum Im followed by Giri. In your English text or I don't know, Tamil text or whatever text, you'll see Ya Mishum Girishanta, right? Im followed by girl become ing, like ing, anga, right? Lo. So it will be Ya Mishung Girishanta. When I teach you by splitting, it will be Ya Mishum. But when I join with Giri, it will become, sound will change because of the rule called, which rule? No. When does the sound change? Sound changes for Visargams, but then Anuswaram. Anuswaram. Im becomes ing. Okay? Okay. Ya Mishum. And the sh, it is not Ya Mishum, it is Ya Mishum, shum, not shum, not sum, shum. Ya Mishum, Ya Mishum. Now I am going to join with the second word. The sound will change to ing. Yamishungirishanta. Yamishungirishanta. Haste. Bibharshyastavē. Hold the bharsh because it's a half sh and there's a holding on ir. Bharsh is one sound but it's got three sounds in it. Remember I told you mixture of sounds. One syllable is bharsh. There is one sound bharsh, but there are three sounds in that bharasha. Correct? Then you have to hold no. Bibharshyastavē. Hold. See, what is the last sound of bharsh? Ish. Bharsh. So you'll hold on the ish. Bibharshyastavē. Good. Bibharshyastavē. Good job. Yami. Good. Yamishum. Yamishungi. Shung. Okay. Shung. S-H-U-N-G. Shung. Yamishungi. Yamishungiri. Yamishungirisha. Girisha. You know, I told you syllable chanting, right? Not Girisha, Girisha, la la la. Got it? Three hraswams coming. Tak, tak, tak. I told you no words, no sentences, only syllable मांगता है. Okay? ये दिल मांगे syllable more. Simple. Okay? Yamishung Girisha. Yamishung Girishanta. Yamishungirishantaha. Hey Baba, you're closing your mouth. It's not Yamishum, Yamishung. You're doing extremely well. What's your good name? आपका नाम क्या है? सुना नहीं दिया मेरे को. Jeevan. Oh, like the old villain, movie villain, Jeevan. Okay. But you're doing very well, okay? But don't close your mouth on shung, not shum. Okay? Got it? Just from your mouth I can make out whether you're saying im or ing. Okay? Okay. Yamishungirishanta. Yamishungirishantaha. Yamishungirishantahaste. यामिषुङ्गिरिशन्तहस्तेऽपि यामिषुङ्गिरिशन्तहस्तेऽपि sorry, it should be bibhash. Okay, I'll say once again. Yamishungirishantahaste bibhash. Yamishungirishantahaste bibhashya. Yamishungirishantahaste bibhashyasta. Bibhashyasta. And ending dirgham, right? Yamishungirishantahaste bibhashyastave. Yamishungirishantahaste bibhashyastave. Do you guys like going backwards, or you think you're okay with forward? Okay, it's a democracy here. Those who want to do backward, raise your hands. Arey Baba, this is like BJP. Okay. Okay. Yamishungirishantahaste bibhashyastave. Hold. Bibhashyastave. Ve. Tave. Istave. Yastave. Rashyastave. Bharshyastave. Bibharshyastave. Te bibharshyastave. Haste bibhashyastave. Shantahaste bibhashyastave. Girishantahaste bibhashyastave. Shungirishantahaste bibhashyastave. मिषुङ्गिरिषन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे यामिषुङ्गिरिषन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे यामिषुङ्गिरिषन्तहस्ते बिभर्ष्यस्तवे Five times. Go to Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Start from there, please. 1, 2, 3, start. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Namaste Rudramanyava Utata Ishave Namaha. Stop. কত বার বলবো আমি Namaste, gap and D, followed by Astu. 1, 2, 3, start. Namaste, Astu Dhanvane. Very nice. Last two lines, two more times. 1, 2, 3, start. Taya nastanu vashantamaya girishantabhichakashi yamishangirisantahaste bibharshyastave. Good. Now, next. In your book, it will be Shivam Giritratam. Im followed by Ga becomes? Because of the rule called? No. Visargam? No. Anuswaram? What is it? If I say Anuswaram, you will say Anuswaram. If I say Visargam, you will say Visargam. Okay, now and then I will test like this. You got to be sure of what you are saying. Anuswaram. Im followed by Ga becomes? Ing. Correct? Okay. But when we do it separately, it will be Shivam. But when we go to Giri, it will become Shivang Giritratam. Okay? Shivam. Now tell me which is correct. Shivam. Why? On the Shi. Right? But very easy to say Shivam. Right? And not notice the difference. But one of them is a Hrasvam with a lower Swara. That too in the very beginning. Always pay attention in the beginning, because normally people don't pay attention to the beginning. They look at the difficult words down the line. In the very beginning, if you make a mistake, you should make a good beginning, right? Always. For example, Triambakai Yajamahe. Triyam, that's got an upper swara in the very first syllable. Many people say Triambakai Yaja, Triambakai. There's got an upper swara in the beginning. Got to take care, okay? Similarly here, in the beginning, there's a swara. You got to make sure. Shivam. Giritratam. So, Giri, in the line before this, sentence before this, there was a Giri. In this also there is a Giri, but the swara difference is there. The first one is Giri, right? The second one is Giri, Giri. First one is Giri. Second one is Giri. First one is La La. Second one is La La. Difference. So if you had been listening nicely to Hindi music of the 70s and 60s, no problem in chanting. Anyway, I'm just joking. You will know at least basic music sense. Now and then I'll joke just to ease the pressure a little bit, okay? It's for you, not for me. Okay. If you didn't listen to them, you can still go back and listen. Okay, let's do this. You have to contrast to know, not think that the same word has the same swaras. So let's go back to the concluding sentence of the very first class. I said Yajurveda chanting is nothing but syllable and associated swara. It is not the word Giri. Gi, then upper swara, lower swara. Ri, upper swara, lower swara. That's it. Simple. Once you have the control on this, you are done. Okay? Let's do this. Shivam. 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 You don't have to say Ingan right now. When you say the word only, it will be Shivam. It's only when you marry it to the next word, Anuswaram will kick in. Okay? Shivam. 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 Giritratam. So tam, giritra, tam. But tam followed by kuru, ka. Im followed by ku will become anku. Not angu. Here it is anku. It will become tankuru. Tankuru. A-N-K. Not tam kuru. Tankuru. Ankurarpanam. We say, right? Ankurarpanam. Inka. Inka sound. Okay? Okay. Giritratam. 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 Kuru. Sorry. Kuru. 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 Mahigumsi. Sorry, no. This is Mahigumsi. 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 So I don't know how it is written in English and Tamil, etc. But in Sanskrit, the way gum is referred to is like a chandrama, like a half moon with a dot and a dash below it. It is called gum. It will take the form of ig. Ig, depending on the following sound. Here it is only gum. Gum. Got it? Gum. Okay? Okay. Mahigumsi. Now you see C followed by two dots, like a colon, called Visargam. Visargam followed by, Visargam sound will change now, sound change will come in now. Because C followed by Visargam, followed by Pa, sound will be if. So, Mahigumsif Purushan Jagat. Again, Purusham, im followed by ja become inja. Purushan Jagat. Not Purusham Jagat. Purushan Jagat. Okay? These are the Vedic sounds. Okay? Okay. Mahigumsi. 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 Purushan Jagat. Ru upper swara, give it a whiplash. Purushan Jagat. Purushan Jagat. Purushan Jagat. Shivam, Shivam, sorry, Shivangi, Shivangiri, all the ing, Shivangiri, Shivangiritra, so tra is made up of it and ra, so you're holding the it, right? Girit, then only you're saying tra, holding the it and then dropping the tra, okay? Shivangiritra. Very good. Shivangiritratam. Hold the ing, Shivangiritratam. Now im fladka become inka. Okay, now I'm going to ku. Shivangiritratam ku. Good. Shivangiritratam kuru. Kuru. Shivangiritratam kuruma. Very good. Shivangiritratam kurumahi. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gum. Good. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi pu. Gumsi pu. If sound has to be heard. Gumsi pu. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi puru. Very nice. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi purushan. Higumsi purushan. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi purushanja. Shivangiritratam kurumahi gumsi purushanjaga. शिवाङ्गिरित्रतां कुरु माहि गुंसीः पुरुषं जगत् कुरु माहि गुंसीः Kuru. See, both are separate syllables, one upper swara, one lower swara, but both are hrasvam. So normally people will say, not you guys, generally, tang kuruma higum, like that will go. But tang kuruma has to, like that, okay? Now, you guys are doing so good that I'm not going to waste your time. What I'm going to do, when I'm going reverse, I'm going to take word by word now. Because already it has sunk in, okay? You're doing good. If you didn't do good, I would not go like this, believe me, okay? Jagat Purushan Jagat Mahi Gumsif Purushan Jagat Kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Ruma Kuruma Kuru Kuruma Kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Tang kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Giritratang kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Shivangiritratang kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Shivangiritratang kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat Shivangiritratang kuru mahi gumsif purushan jagat 5 times. প্রথম থেকে ওম নমো ভগবতে রুদ্রায় 1 2 3 স্টার্ট ওম নমো ভগবতে রুদ্রায় Last 3 sentences 2 times, please, starting from Taya Nastanuva. Okay, 1 2 3 start. Taya Nastanuva Shantamaya Girishantabhichakashihi Yamisham Girishantahaste Bibhashyastave Shivangiritratang kurumahi gumsif purushan jagat Taya nastanuva shantamaya girishantabhichakashihi Yamisham girishantahaste bibhasyastave Shivangiritratanguramahi gumsif purushan jagat. Good. Now the meaning of the last 2 lines. Yam yishungirishantahaste up to jagate. O resident of the mountains. Shiva is called the resident of the mountain because he resides in Kailash. O resident of the mountains and giver of all good, O protector, make the arrow you hold in your hand peaceful. Do not destroy people or the material world. It's again a prayer to him, saying that all of us are human beings, we make mistakes, so we're doing prayashchittam. Kindly forgive us. Okay? Now, next one, ready? Shuru kiya jaye? Okay, very good. Shivena Vachasa Vachasa Twa. What is the next line? Next word. Same word, huh? Same swara? Giri. So we saw 3 giris, huh? So the first one was Giri, next one was Giri, this one is Giri. Just syllable associated swara, that's it. Okay, don't go by the word. Okay, Shat Cha. Hold the ich, release the cha. Shat. I didn't go, no. Shat. I'm waiting for somebody to go cha. Shat cha. So that when you hold the ich, there should be no sound. Shat cha. Not bad, but still. Shat cha. Vadamasi. If you feel comfortable stretching your legs, you can stretch your legs. Okay? I just want to make sure you chant properly. Rest of the magic you can do, but not when we are doing a proper function. Right now it's okay. Okay, now Vadamasi. What is the speciality about this? No swara. So technically the most difficult portion to chant, because people put Vadamasi, Vadamasi. No, musical, no? Nice to hear, eh? Raja making new music, new Vedas, can't do that. Vadamasi, Shacha Vadamasi, just to change the monotony. Girisha Chavadamasi, Sattva Girisha Chavadamasi, Vachasatva Girisha Chavadamasi, Shivena Vachasatva Girisha Chavadamasi, Okay, I was just testing to see whether you picked up speed or not. So I think we have to go back and slow down a little bit, okay? Shive, Shive, Na, Shive, Nava, Shive Navacha, Shive Navachasa, and Sa followed by Twa, so you have to hold the It, because Twa is made for two sounds, It and Va. Hold the first half, which is It, Sat, then say Twa, okay? Shive Navacha Satva. Shive Navacha Satva. Shive Navacha Satvagi. Shive Navacha Satvagiri. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha Cha. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha Chavadamasi. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha Chavadamasi. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha Chavadamasi. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha Chavadamasi. Shive Navacha Satvagirisha
शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि वदामसि शाच्छा वदामसि गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि सा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि वचसा त्वा गिरिशाच्छा वदामसि Okay, which is correct? Vachasa tva girishaच्छा vadamasi or Vachasa tva girishaच्छा vadamasi. Where were the mistakes? I said satva, it is satva. It's not satva, it is satva. Okay. Vachasa tva girishaच्छा vadamasi. Shivena vachasa tva girishaच्छा vadamasi. Five times. Go back to Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. 1, 2, 3, start. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Namaste Rudramanyava Utata Ishave Namaha. Go to the first line of today, Taya Nastanuva, from there up to Vadamasi 2 times. 1, 2, 3, start. taya nastanu vashantamaya. One, two, three, start. Good. How do you feel? You're feeling confident what you're doing is right? How do you feel? Good? Okay? Not so good? You're doing awesome, okay? I have taken enough classes to know. Probably one of the classes that have made the most progress in the beginning. Yes? You want a break?
You can take a break.
Okay, but then you see, when you give a break, a 2-minute break becomes like a 20 minutes break. Okay? What I would suggest, if people want to take individual breaks, I don't mind if they can get up and go to the washroom or whatever and they can come back. But I'm loath to give a break for all because there are online students also, they're waiting and there's a gap and they don't know when we are back. Right? So I don't mind if you take individual breaks and go, but at this point in time, probably not. Okay? One of the things is you also have to get used to sitting in one spot for 2 hours. Because in the future, if you take part in Rudra Ekadashis, where you have to chant 11 Rudrams, you have to have the discipline of sitting in one spot, not moving, and being able to reel off 11 Rudrams, like coolly 11 fours, one after another, okay? It's got to be like that. Yes?
Shivena, the she is she, right? And the Girisha, is it Sha or Girisha?
It is the same Sha as in Shiva. Right? So if you use the wrong Sha, it will be Shivena. That's wrong. Shivena. Sha. Sh. It's a pressed sound, okay? It's a pressed sound. Shh. Keep quiet. Right? Shh. Pressed sound. The other one is rounded. Shh. Shivena. That's wrong. So, Shive Navachasatva Giri Shacha is not Giri Shacha, Giri Shacha Sa Sha Sha. These are different sounds, okay? Yaralava Shasha Sahom, Yaralava Shasha Sahom, Yaralava Shasha Sahom, Shasha Sa. These are 3 different sounds. Can you see the difference? Yaralavashasha sahom, Yaralavashasha sahom. Okay? You have to practice. End of the day, everything is practice. Okay, let's go to the next one. We did up to Jagatu, right? No, Vadamasi. Good. Next one. Yatha nasarva. Hold the nas. Yatha nasar. See, is extended, right? Yatha nasarva. Yatha nasarva. Mejagada. Mejagada. yakshmagum, yakshmagum, sumana, and between sumana and asat there will be a small gap because na ends with a, which is an extended vowel, followed by another word which starts with a vowel which is a. So it will be sumana asat, right? But the na will be slightly more extended than normal. If there was no gap, it will be somana asat, right? If there is a gap, somana asat. Na is even more exaggerated. Got it? Somana asat. Don't drag the na to a. Don't say somana asat, somana asat. This is a gap. It's not na is extended to a. Somana asat. No. Somana asat. Got it? 1, 2, 3, start. Super, super. Yatha. Yatha nas. Actually, the holding to be on is, not nas. Yatha nas. Yatha nas sarva. Good. Yatha nas sarvami. Yatha nas sarvamijja. Good. Yatha nas sarvamijjaga. Yatha nas sarvamijjagad. Mijjagad. Gad. Jagad. Mijjagad. Yatha nas sarvamijjagad yakshmagum. Mijjagad yakshmagum. Ya iksha iksha yakshmagum. Mijjagad yakshmagum. Yatha nas sarvamijjagad yakshmagum su. Yakshmagum su. Suma. Sumana. Sumana asat. Yakshmagum sumana asat. Good.
jagada yakshmagum sumana asat. There has to be a gap, right? Me jagada yakshmagum sumana asat. Somana asat. Me jagada yakshmagum sumana asat. Sarva me jagada yakshmagum sumana asat. Sarva me jagada yakshmagum Sarva me jagada yakshmagum somana asat. Somana asat. Somana. Go with me. 1, 2, 3, start. Somana asat. Somana asat. There has to be a gap. With me. 1, 2, 3, start. Somana asat. Somana asat. That's correct. Yatha nasarva me jagada yakshmagum somana asat. Someone here is putting a swara on gum, saying yakshmagum, magum, gum. There is no swara. Okay. Yakshmagum somana asat. Somana asat. Yakshmagum somana asat. Yatha nasarva me jagada yakshmagum somana asat. Na dhirgam somana. See, na, can you hear? Somana asat. Somana asat. Somana asat. Yatha nasarva me jagada yakshmagum somana asat. Somana asat. 5 times. Somana. Gap. Somana. Hold. Sumana asat. Ah. Okay, start from yatha 5 times. 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, one other thing is as you become familiar with the sentence, sometimes you take it easy. Each detail that you learn becomes suddenly, because you become familiar, I know it. The moment you get to the I know it zone, you're gone, finished. Okay? Let me tell you something. You don't have to do it, but I used to do it. When I used to make a mistake, I'm not joking. I used to do that. I'm not joking. Anything I won't do, I won't tell you. I was like that. I was violent on myself, okay? You can't make the mistake because when you change the swara, the meaning changes. You have to punish yourself. Okay? You don't have to do it. Okay? I used to be crazy, okay? I used to pump myself up, for exams and all. I used to tell myself, come on Ramesh, you got to do it, you got to do it, you can do it, you can do it. You won't believe it became possible. I was walking on the road, I used to talk to myself. I didn't know. Till somebody, like my wife told me, you look like you need treatment. Come on, you can do it, come on. And I used to talk to myself. You can see people when they play cricket, they talk to themselves, they pump themselves up. Because the whole world can stand against you and say, you're good for nothing. But the moment you tell yourself, I'm good for nothing, you're done, finished. Never tell yourself that I can do it. If you tell yourself you're finished, the whole world can tell you that you can get up, you can't get up. So, perfection is a pursuit. You got to be after it. Like you got to, Ichha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, Kriya Shakti. Kriya Shakti is in your hands, okay? I don't have time. Easy to say. Easy to say. You have time in the night. I know some people who never used to sleep, who used to think sleep is a waste of time. I know modern thing says, you should sleep, take rest, this, blah, blah, blah. I think more than that, what is important is if you like doing something, that energizes you. When you like doing something, that energizes you. It's a very simple concept. You won't burn out. How many people, when they like something, they're passionate about it. Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi used to get up at what time in the morning? 3 o'clock. And he used to go to sleep late. And he never used to waste paper. This chocolate wrapper? Do you know he used to write messages on the chocolate wrapper? He never used to waste paper. Great man. So what I'm saying is, end of the day, burning the midnight oil. When the whole world is asleep, that man who burned or that woman who burns the midnight oil is the one who will succeed. Time is it's in your hand. Do you want it? How badly do you want it? Oh, people ask me, Rudram class, how long will it take? I can finish it now within half an hour. It's not me. How much time can you put into it? How much do you want to make it your own? When the sound comes out, you should have that ting sound, like a veena sound, That is with you. There's no limit to practice. There's no limit to perfection. Okay? Let's go to the next one. That was just to give you a small break. Okay. Somebody wanted a break, right? Yeah. That will become lesser and lesser as we go forward. Okay, next. We went to Asat, right? Yeah. Adhyavo. Adhyavocha. Adhyavocha dadhi. Adhyavocha dadhi vakta. After vakta comes prathamo. Pra is a mixture of sound. So will you hold or you will not hold? You will hold which sound? Ip, pra. In pra, which sound comes first? Ip or ra? Ip. Hold the. Adhyavocha dadhi vakta. Prathamo. Which is correct? Prathamo. Prathamo. La la la. Do it. La la la. See, three sounds. La la la. Prathamo. Good. You had a question. We didn't do it? We will. Let's finish this. I'll do 4 lines together, okay? Is that good? Yeah, I won't cheat you. Okay. Prathamo. Daivyo bhishak. Good job. Vyo. Vyo is one sound but made up of 2 sounds, right? Vyo. So you have to hold the which sound comes first? Iv. Vyo. Hold the iv. Daivyo. Okay. Daivyo bhishak. Bhishak. B-H-I. Bhishak. Adhya. Adhyavo. Adhyavocha. Adhyavochad. Adhyavochadadhi. Adhyavochadadhiva. Adhyavochadadhivakta. Adhyavochadadhivakta pra. Adhyavochadadhivakta pratha. Adhyavochadadhivakta pratha. Adhyavochadadhivakta prathamo. Adhyavochadadhivakta prathamodai. Good. Prathamodai. Adhyavochadadhivakta prathamodai vyo. दैव्यो अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभि अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् अध्यवोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषक् शक I said only shak. Shak Bheshak Yo Bheshak Ivyo Bheshak I said Ivyo, right? Daivyo Bheshak Mo Daivyo Bheshak Thamo Daivyo Bheshak Prathamo Daivyo Bheshak Vakta Prathamo Daivyo Bheshak Dadhivakta Prathamo Daivyoऽभिषक् Hold the ip, okay, okay. Vakta. But, I'm just saying. Vakta Prathamo, okay, got it? Okay. Don't have to repeat, just keep it in mind when we do it next, okay? Vochadadhi Vakta Prathamo Daivyoऽभिषक् Adhyavochadadhivakta Prathamo Daivyoऽभिषक् Adhyavochadadhivakta Prathamo Daivyoऽभिषक् Adhyavochadadhivakta Prathamo Daivyoऽभिषक् Five times. Good. Now go to the beginning. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. 1, 2, 3, start. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Namaste Rudramanyava Utata Ishave Namaha. Somana asat. Go to the last line, next line, okay? Now, I said gum, right? Now, gish is coming now. Ahi gishcha sarva an. Ahi gishcha sarva an. He dhirgam. Ahi gishcha sarva an. Jambhayan. Sarva ascha. Yatu dhanyaha. Yatu dhanyaha. Ahi. Ahi gishcha. He dhirgam. Ahi gishcha. Ahi gishcha sa. Ahi gishcha sarva an. Ahi gishcha sarva an ja. Ahi gishcha sarva an jambha. Ahi gishcha sarva an jambhayan. That is jambayant. That's a small it, okay? Before you go to the next sarva. Ahi gishcha sarva an jambhayant sarva ascha. Ahi gishcha sarva an jambhayant sarva ascha. Ahigisht, come on guys, ahigischa sarva anjambhayant sarva ascha. Ahigischa sarva anjambhayant sarva aschayatu. Yatu Yatu dhanyaha Sarva aschayatu dhanyaha. Ahigischa sarva anjambhayant sarva aschayatu dhanyaha. Ahigischa sarva anjambhayant sarva aschayatu dhanyaha. Five times. Good. Now I'll give you the meaning of the last four lines. The first two lines, first two of the last two lines. O resident of the mountains, in order that our world of relations and cattle may be prosperous, wholly free from disease and of good mind, we propitiate you with auspicious words. Let him intercede on my behalf and speak in my favor, even Rudra, that foremost one, held high in honor by the gods, the physician. One of the things you must know that one of the names of Shiva is Vaidyanatha. He is considered the Lord of all doctors. Let him annihilate the enemies of mine like scorpions, snakes and tigers, and the unseen enemies like the Rakshasas, spirits and demons. You can take it in a physical way, you can also take it in a different way, because these also represent the different evils or the different dangers that we face internally, okay? And let him help us in cleaning our inner self of those diseases, okay? Now thank you, my friends. We have completed 7 sentences today as compared to 6 sentences in the last class. Our target in the next class will be to complete the first Anuvakam, the rest of it completing at Hitam. Then we go to the Namakam, which is Namo Hiranya Bahave from there, okay? So I will be sending you the Chalakari Brothers recording. Please practice. There's no end to practice. Practice, practice, practice. Last but not the least, Vedam, if it gets embedded It is like etching on stone. It will never go away, you'll never forget it. If you learn it properly, you'll remember it properly. If you learn it incorrectly, you can never correct it because it's etched in stone. So better make sure, it's like getting a tattoo. When you get a tattoo, you want to make sure you get a right tattoo, right? Otherwise, it's all over the place, you look nasty. You don't want that. You want to learn Rudram properly. So far, so good. You guys feel confident? Yes. You can do it? Yes. There's no other way. You have to do it. Okay, thank you so much. I wish you all a very good night. Thank you.